Hello friend, welcome back to another episode of MiniCooper Garage. I keep working on this MiniCooper, so there is a great chance for another video. And the Mini was sitting here approximately for like 3 weeks, so I realized I better check the battery. So I used my voltmeter when the battery was still here in the vehicle without this charger, and it was shockingly very low. It was like 12.2 volts, and we know that's not good, so I immediately put it on the charger, and this is what's happening. Basically, after only like 30 minutes, you can see with me that the voltage is over 12 volt, but the battery really needed charging because it tells me that it's only at a 42% of the charge. I'm here in no hurry, so I will be not using any boost charge, right, which is not really good. I rather use that deep cycle, which uses only 2 amps, and it might take up to 8 hours to fully recharge this battery. I just wanted to share this with you, with people who might maybe think about buying their own charger. I really recommend this one. I own it approximately 3 years and it never let me down. As you can see, it's very easy. You just plug it in the wall and you have a nice clamps which go obviously in the negative and positive terminal of the battery. You don't have to unhook the car or disconnect it right from the battery. It's all hooked and it can be nicely, slowly charged. And that was just a nice, quick video for someone interested in maintenance of their own MiniCooper. Please stay tuned because I have way more videos about the MiniCoopers coming your way soon. As a matter of fact, I will start filming another one just in a few minutes. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.